In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam error code E20. So the first thing you want to do is you want to check the Steam server status because server outages or maintenance can cause the error E20. And if there is a server outage, the only thing you can do in that situation is just wait until Steam fixes it. But the next thing that I recommend that you guys do is, first of all, go ahead and completely close out of Steam. And also, please go to your task manager and close any instances of Steam. So if you see Steam over here in the app section, go ahead and right click on it and then press on end task. Okay, once you're done with that, the next thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and look up run on your system just like so, and then you want to type in %, local app data, and then %, at the end again. Then go ahead and press on OK. Afterwards, you're going to get a bunch of folders that look like this, and all you want to do is you want to scroll all the way down until you see Steam. So yep, here is Steam. So you just want to go ahead and locate it, and you actually want to delete it. So go ahead and delete it just like so. And then after you went ahead and deleted it, that is going to clear out all of your cache and stuff like that. And then afterwards, you want to go ahead and restart your PC and see if you still get that error. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.